This 2-minute video will show you another way to use KnowledgeNet to extract your LinkedIn connections. The KnowledgeNet browser extension makes it easy for you to collect, view, and sort through thousands of connections belonging to the people most likely to recommend your products and services. This is possible because LinkedIn allows users to view up to 1,000 of each of their first-degree connections contacts. To get started, go to your LinkedIn My Network page and open your list of connections. Find your favorite super connector and click to open their profile page. For this video, let's look at Ben Victorica, VP of Sales here at KnowledgeNet. It is important to note that LinkedIn users are not required to give their connections permission to view their networks. If the connection count is grayed out and not clickable, the individual has disabled that privilege. KnowledgeNet will not circumvent this setting. If the connection count is blue, click it to open the connections list. When the connections list loads, open the KnowledgeNet browser extension on the right side of your screen. Then click the blue Save button. KnowledgeNet confirms that it is going to build a list called Ben Victorica's Network. You are free to edit the default name if you wish. Once you click the OK button, KnowledgeNet will begin working. It will take up to 1,000 connections, which is the limit imposed by LinkedIn. You will be able to view this list by going to the KnowledgeNet web app and opening your list section. When you open a network list, you will see that it has been enriched by KnowledgeNet with extra data, including email addresses. To allow KnowledgeNet to build out your network lists with as much information as possible, stay logged into LinkedIn in a separate browser tab and leave that tab open. This allows KnowledgeNet to continue filling in profiles in the background. From here, you can sort your lists by hovering over the column headers and clicking on the hamburger menu. You can also export your list to Excel to take advantage of its advanced filtering capabilities. All exports are sent by email to the address associated with your KnowledgeNet account. You have 36 hours to download the file from the link in this email.